Okay, so for this problem, we're going to solve a 7 kilogram car moves from this height to this height. Now this is ground level, so we're going to solve for the potential energy of gravity, the kinetic energy at this level. Then we're going to solve for the kinetic energy at this level, the potential energy of gravity. Then we're going to find the height. Now all we know is that the velocity here is 9 meters per second, and the velocity here is 3 meters per second. So we're going to start off by getting the potential energy due to gravity. So as you know, potential energy due to gravity is mass times gravitational pull times height. Now we got a 7 kilogram car times the gravitational pull on Earth is 9.8 meters per second squared times 0 meters, because it's ground level. So that's going to give us 0. So this is 0 joules. So basically all we're going to be solving for here is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. So if we do this out, it's going to be 1/2 times 7 kilograms times velocity squared, so 9 meters per second times 9 meters per second. This will give us 283.5 joules. So 283.5. Alright, next we're going to be solving for the kinetic energy here. So this is the same process. I'm just going to slide this down a little bit. Kinetic energy is going to be 1/2 times 7 kilograms times the velocity here squared. So this is 3 meters per second times 3 meters per second equals, so we do this out and we're going to get 31.5 joules. Oops. So 31.5. So because we know that the total energy here is 283.5 joules, that means the whole entire thing is 283.5. So the kinetic energy plus the potential energy due to gravity here should be 283. So in order to solve, we know the total energy, 283.5 joules. In order to solve for the potential energy due to gravity, all we have to do is simply subtract the kinetic energy from the total energy. So minus 31.5 joules. And this will give us 252 joules equals potential energy due to gravity. So next, we're going to be solving for the height. Oops. Equals potential energy due to gravity. Alright, so next we're going to be solving for the height. This part is simple. So we know our potential energy due to gravity is 252 joules, which then would equal mass times gravitational pull times height. So we know the mass is 7 kilograms, and gravitational pull is 9.8 meters per second squared times the height, which we're solving for. So we're going to take this and just divide this by 7 kilograms, and then we're going to divide that by 9.8. So divide that by 9.8, and once it's all said and done, we're going to get 3.67 meters equals our height. So this is done now, and that's how you do it.